So, what are your options when it comes to bookkeeping tools? Fun, right? Okay, maybe not fun, but unless you're ready to sort through a year of invoices every tax season, you're gonna need the right software. Whether you're a freelancer juggling invoices, a small business owner scaling up, or just sick of the service you have and are looking for a change, this video is for you. And because you might know before the video is over which software is right for you, a quick reminder that all services are linked in the description below. So, what do you need to look for when it comes to accounting and bookkeeping software? Okay, this has to stop. Thank you. Let's be honest, no two businesses are the same. A freelancer running invoices for 3 clients, you don't need NASA-level software, but an e-commerce business juggling inventory, international orders, and angry emails about out-of-stock mugs, you might need something more powerful. This is why asking what's the best bookkeeping software is the wrong question. The real question is what's the best software for my business? Because let me tell you, the fanciest dashboard doesn't mean squat if you can't figure out where to log a single receipt. And before the video is done, you'll know what my personal pick is regardless of your type of business, but regardless of my flawless opinion, picking the wrong one might lead you to the existential question, do I even need a business or should I just move to the woods? But here are a few other examples. Are you a freelancer who just wants something simple or an SMB that needs room to grow? Do you run retail and need to track inventory, or are you a service provider living and dying by invoices? And let's talk integrations. Does it play nice with tools like Shopify, Stripe, or your payroll system? Oh, and budget. Are you good with free basics, or do you need premium features like tax automation and multi-currency support? Because let's be honest, the goal here is to maximize time versus expense, not adding more headaches. If you can check these boxes, you'll know exactly which software works for your business. Quick tip, if a feature sounds impressive but you have no idea what it does, probably not for you. If you're a freelancer or solo business owner, bookkeeping software shouldn't feel like piloting a spaceship. It needs to be simple, save you time, and actually work. So here are 3 of the best tools for freelancers. Let's break it down. If you're on a super tight budget and just need the basics like invoicing and expense tracking, both Wave and ZipBooks have solid free options. Wave gives you unlimited invoices and bookkeeping, while ZipBooks throws in basic reporting and tools for managing customers and vendors. Perfect if your business is still small and you want to save some cash. But here's the deal. If you need to upgrade your workflow with tools like time tracking, reoccurring invoices, and automated expenses, FreshBooks has you covered. And at the price of a pack of sticky notes and 2 pens for their light plan every month, it's still one of the most affordable paid options out there. If your needs are extremely simple and you're watching every penny, go with Wave or ZipBooks free plans. You'll get everything you need to stay organized, but if you're billing clients hourly or you want to automate the busy work, FreshBooks is probably your best bet. If you need to check any specific features on each of these platforms, there's a link in the description to each of their pages. Now, once your business reaches a certain stage, you're gonna have to level these systems up. If you start with a free software and suddenly find yourself managing 50 employees, multiple bank accounts, and inventory that would make a warehouse manager sweat, well, let's just say that migrating years of transaction history and custom categories to a new system is about as fun as doing your taxes by candlelight during a power outage. Trust me, you want to think ahead here. That's where we come to the 2 accounting powerhouses, QuickBooks and Xero. We've actually got a full video breaking down the real differences of the services, but here's the headline. Package by package, Xero is the cheaper option, and if you need them, it has tools for international invoicing and inventory management. QuickBooks is the platform that's just so much easier to use. You won't feel like you need to be doing extra tutorials or switching services at some point if you just go with them. In general, there are some things I like about Xero. However, unless you're a business that needs one of their specific features, Xero lacks the ease of use of QuickBooks, making it the clear choice. After all, if you're watching this video, my guess is you're not already an expert at this and want the simpler option. Or maybe you're my mom watching this just to be supportive, in which case, thank you. You are seen and appreciated, and I promise I'll call soon. But for most small businesses, the definitive answer is QuickBooks. Listen, I've helped dozens of business owners set up their accounting software, and I keep coming back to QuickBooks for a reason. It's got a variety of pricing options, and it just works. Sure, it's not the cheapest option out there, but there's something to be said for software that won't make you want to throw your laptop out the window at 11 p.m. during tax season. The interface is intuitive enough that you won't need an accounting degree to figure it out. The customer support actually picks up the phone when you need help, and pretty much every accountant in the country knows how to work with it. Plus, when your business grows and you need more features, you can upgrade without feeling like you're learning an entirely new system. That peace of mind is worth every penny. Look, at the end of the day, the best thing you can do is be honest about where your business is heading. If you're a freelancer just getting started, save your money and go with Wave or ZipBooks. You can always upgrade later. But if you're already dreaming about hiring employees or expanding inventory, do yourself a favor and just start with QuickBooks. Click the link in the description and poke around their site. They've usually got some pretty sweet intro deals, and you can see exactly what features you'd get with each tier. If you're curious about any of these options, check the link in the description for more details.